Look at this, I have Delta Executor, guys. I can't believe it. What's up, guys, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review, I'll be showing you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website, then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there and I will have to enter our username. So let me enter mine quickly. Let me click connect to the server and let's see. As you can see, user found, just click connect and now import the latest Delta Executor and select script that you want to add to your account, guys. I will select this, let me click continue and let's see the next step. This is working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices, guys, and believe me, this is the best working method for Delta Executor. Okay, just scroll down and click verify now and let's wait a little bit. And now, guys, we're on the anti-bot verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaires. It's your choice. Just click here, click proceed, and we start downloading from the official publisher for the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have a description what you have to do. So guys, I will download this Just Play and Pure VPN, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this status complete, success, almost done. So let's wait for this redirecting, guys, and let's see the next step. Let's wait for this redirecting. And guys, injection successful. So that's it. If you have this message, that's it. Let me open my Roblox and let's see. Does it actually work? So let's see, guys. Okay, so let me play this. Just a second. Okay. Let's wait a little bit, guys, for this. Okay, guys, I'm now in the game and let's see. Boom, guys, look at this. Thank you for using Delta. We have this message, guys. Click on home button and look at this. All scripts are aided successfully. Look at this. I have Delta Executor, guys. I can't believe it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.